Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. Today's video is about how to create a single page template for a custom post type in Elementor and dynamic content for Elementor. I will guide you through what a custom post type is, when to use it, how to add the custom fields using ACF. Then we render to the public. I already went ahead and installed these plugins. ACF Pro because I want to show you how to use the gallery field to render into the public. Custom post type provides an easy-to-use interface for registering and managing custom post types for Elementor free and Pro versions for the template I will create to render to the public. And the dynamic content for Elementor plugin. Actually, we use many of their widgets and extensions to build our custom post type template and WooCommerce for business purposes. Before we dive in, let's check dynamic content for Elementor plugin is well set. From the license, make sure you have entered your license key. Features, this is the interface or the panel where you manage all the dynamic content modules. It's organized by modules, which helps speed up loading times. You can enable or disable them. If you want to disable one of them, all you have to do is click on top of the green button and save. WordPress comes with 5 default post types: post, page, attachment, revision, and menu. Most users are familiar with post and page types. A post in WordPress is a post type. Posts are typically displayed in a blog. Usually you make use of taxonomy such as categories, tags to group them together. Posts do not use post templates to render to the general public. A page, however, has some very important differences. They can be placed in a hierarchical order where a page can be the parent or a child of another page. Pages do not use categories and tags like posts. Pages use page templates to render to the general public. A custom post type extends a particular type of content. It allows you to break things down into smaller categories. For example, if you want to have a section or a specific subject like books, it's better suited to creating a custom post type. Example I can give you. In my own website, I have the WooCommerce from my list. When installed, you get this WooCommerce custom post type named as products. It provides a simple way for users to enter information. You use a plugin or a custom code to register your own post type. Navigate to the custom post type menu and click on Add New. The name for your custom post type, I call it food. You type in what you need. Leave no spaces in lower cases. Then the same in plural and singular. The plural is used for the WordPress admin menu. Scroll down, there are 2 relevant sections where you need to pay attention to if you want to display this custom post type with an archive. By default, it's set to false, so if you want to create an archive page template for your custom post type, you must enable it by setting to true. The other relevant field is the hierarchy below. Here, you determine whether or not the post type can have parent-child relationships. For this video, I don't need it, so I leave it as it is. The menu position tab, you can range between 5 and 100. This is the position in the menu order. To show up, the value must be true. In the menu icon, you determine the icon to be displayed beside the menu name. Click on the Dashcon class to open up the Dashcon library, and from there you pick up the menu icon. Below you can choose the support for your custom post type. A checked value means the post type feature is supported. Click on Add Post Type. We get a new WordPress top level entry in the dashboard. with options to add a new one or add a new custom post type. The next step is to create and associate custom fields to my food custom post type. I use the ACF Pro plugin. Click on the Custom Fields tab, add New. I call it Recipes. Set the first field label to name. The field name is automatically filled as a name. The field type is text. Under location, set the rule to show this field group if post type is equal to food. Click on Add New Field button to add a new one. This time I want to list images. The label is gallery. The field name in singular is gallery. The field type is gallery. I assist my users by entering an instruction. Just for example, add new field. This time is a text area field where my users can write some text area input. They can input paragraphs or text to use. The field label is Quick Start. The field name is Quick Start in lower cases, and add a new to add a new field type to list the price. I call it price. The field type is a numbered one. Add new. I call it French food. As you probably are noticing, I get my ACF fields. Now I fill in the name, alley, content text, gallery images, and the quick start text. The price is 96 euros. On the right hand side, I want to upload the feature image, so later I can pull in dynamically inside Elementor. Publish. Let me show you how it looks like. It's only displaying the title with the dummy text. We must create a custom post type template. Let's continue. Now it's the turn of the Italian food post. I filled in all the details as previously. The benefits of using dynamic websites are huge. With the use of dynamic data, you can make changes for all your custom post types all at once, instead of manually change each post. Because the custom fields are part of the template, you only need to change the template to affect every post of the same type. Move over to WordPress dashboard, Templates Theme Builder. Choose Single Post, Add New. I call it Single Food Post Template and click on Create Templates. I close the Elementor templates I will creating from scratch. Inside the familiar Elementor environment, I always like to check if the dynamic data in the preview settings is from my custom post type. To do that, click on the preview settings and type in the custom post type. Apply. I create one column section. The first element I want to fetch is the post title. I drag in the post title widget to get the custom post type name. Done. So I drag an inner section below the title. Now I want to add two useful elements, but download button so my customer can download the recipe and add to favorites features. I drag the PDF widget. There it is. Scroll down and find the button to change the alignment. Set your alignment. Great! Next, I add to my favorite widget. Drag into the canvas. Cool! For the second, Elementor section will pull in the feature image which I uploaded while in the WordPress editor, right? So I added the feature image and the image size widget. There it is. Next step is pull in the price. I look for the text editor with tokens widget from the same dynamic plugin. Within the text area, I type in price. Inside the brackets, I type in product price in lower cases. Delete everything else you don't need. On the canvas, the shortcode has been generated. In my previous tutorial, I talked about shortcodes and tokens. If you want to know more, make sure you check it. I will leave a link for easing you out. Another way to achieve the same result is by clicking on this dynamic text icon and from there select the ACF field from the ACF group. I also added a semicolon and heroes. It has been dynamically generated. Voila! Now I want to fetch the gallery images. The Dynamic Content plugin has a ACF gallery widget to do so. Created a new one-column section. I drag in the ACF gallery widget to the canvas. We get this default message warning you about the Mansory layout. It works perfectly on the front end. In the content, you must type your ACF field gallery name. To me is gallery. Under gallery, this is a grid with 2 columns. Justify now. Single image layout. Diamond with 4 pictures by row. And hexagon design. This is beautiful indeed. You got multiple options. I select the Mansory design. In the Styles tab, roll over, you also get the chance to add images over effects. I've decided on the zoom effect. There you have it. When I mouse over my images, I get this beautiful zoom effect, adding some interactivity. I had a new section with 2 columns so we can pull in the ACF fields created previously. We are almost done. Add an icon list widget from Elementor to my left column. To the right column, I had the ACF field widget from the Dynamic Content plugin. You must select the ACF field. Cool! The final touch is to add a read more widget. It lets you to add a call to action with some creative or hover effects. You can enable the Ajax functionality. With Ajax, it's possible to update parts of a web page without reloading the whole page. You must decide on this. Under the Style tab, Rollover section, you decide on the effect you want. I select the Shrink effect. I like it, and Publish. Under the Elementor conditions, All, Custom Post Type, and Food. Now, I checked my custom post type design, the French custom post type template, the Italian custom post type template. With the use of dynamic data, you can make changes for all your custom post type all at once, instead of manually changing each post. I'm planning to make many tutorials with Elementor and dynamic content for Elementor. If you like, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like down below or a comment down. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon. Bye.